So welcome back to our channel. Today is a part B of our previous video, which is on what is internet. If you miss our part A, which is on what is internet, so I will put the link in description. So now in today's video I am going to talk about how does internet works, which is a part B. So first thing is first, we now discuss how internet is formed. So when two or more computers connects to each other, they form a network. So when two or more networks connects to each other, they form an interconnected network, commonly known as internet. So as you can see here, the diagram, there are four computers and they communicate each other and connected to each other. So now their connections and their communication form network. So as it is, when different networks, two or more networks connects to each other through a device which is called network switch. So when we connect the different network switches to each other, they form an interconnected network which is called internet. So now we are going to discuss further about how does internet works. So when you send and receive data over the internet, data gets divided into small packets. As you can see in diagram, that divided into small packets. So these packets contain information you want to send. You want to send using internet protocol which is known as IP address. Routers direct these packets to their respective destination in a most efficient way. So that's it. So if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating tech related content. So feel free to leave any question and suggestion in comments below. So until the next time, stay curious and keep exploring.